This is the fuel filter as used on the Willys MB and Ford GPW Jeep. The firewall-mounted filter was used from early to mid-production until it was eliminated in favor of the internal fuel filter as used in the late production gas tanks. Let's have a look inside to see how it works. Inside the metal bowl is a filter element made up of many thin layers of brass. These layers, when compressed by the spring below, only allow the fuel to pass through, leaving all the contaminants on the outside of the element and bottom of the bowl. The filter top is made of cast iron with ports on both sides. The ports on the left side are plugged as they are not used in this application. The right side ports are marked with in and out. The engine fuel pump sucks fuel from the tank up to the in port on the filter housing. The cutaway view of the underside shows the opening where the fuel enters the bowl chamber. Once inside the bowl, the fuel passes through the outside of the filter element. From there, it flows up to the outlet port in the top casting and out to the fuel pump. This filter was also used on other military vehicles in addition to the Jeep. In later production, this unit gave way to the in-tank design, most likely in an effort to cut costs.